Addison. Is that a nice surprise? You like your new kitchen? It's like a stovetop. Yeah, look at that. You see a microwave? Just like us. Look at that. You're gonna cook something? You're gonna heat up a cup of coffee? Or some tea? Just like that. Scoot it in on the plate. Alright. Cool. Can you show how we turn on the water too? Wow. You're gonna cook tomorrow? You know what? There's more stuff that goes with it at Mima and Bipa's house. We'll get it tonight, okay? Yeah. Can you say thank you, Mima and Bipa? Yeah, it is. You gotta pull real hard. Thank you. Hey, Addie. Addison, can you say thank you to Mima and Bipa? They got this for you. Can you say thank you?
Thank you.
That's nice.